Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to barricade doors in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right materials and tools in your main inventory, not in a bag. Grab a hammer, wooden planks, and nails. These items can be found in tool sheds, garages, closets, and hardware stores. Or you can get planks by dismantling furniture with a saw. Next, stand right next to the door you want to barricade. You can barricade both the inside and outside, but many players start from inside to secure their safe house. With your hammer equipped and planks and nails in your inventory, right-click the door frame or tile. In the menu that appears, choose Barricade with Planks. Your character will begin hammering a plank across the doorway. Once the action finishes, one plank will be nailed across the door. You can repeat the barricade action as long as you have the materials. Barricading doors adds durability and buys you time against zombies trying to break in, giving you crucial seconds or minutes to react. And that's how you barricade doors in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.